Hi again. Now it's the time to give the robot material. So what I will do is I added the checker material for all the pieces of this robot, but I need to add a new materials for specific parts. So the first thing what I will do what I want to do is I will delete this one and grab the head and delete the material of the head, and I will create a new material and I will call it head. So this material called head, and I will change the color to something maybe blue, and let's see what I have here. Let's change this to, yeah, let's leave it material. And now you can go to material preview to see what you have. So I will grab all the details from the right view, just like that, of the head alone, and deselect this one and hold shift and make this the active. I will make this the active one because I need to apply the same material of the head on all of these pieces for this one and the neck. So Control L and link material. As you see now, we have the head. Alright, so this now let's select the arm, this one, the left arm, and I will give it a new material. So select this piece alone, just this one, and delete this material, and let's add the new, and let's call this L underscore arm just to recognize it, and let's give this maybe red, and let's from the front view let's grab all the details and make this one the active. Control L and link the material, and now as you see everything become red. And don't forget something, this material will not affect the vertex paint that we did. I mean, if you go here and switch, sorry, let's go to solid first. If you switch to vertex, all the information of the vertex paints will be exist, and I will show you why I did that later. So let's go back, let's hit Z and go to material preview. Let's hit number 1 and let's give this a material. Let's delete the old one and let's create a new one for this piece, and let's call this R underscore arm for right arm, and let's give this another color, maybe something yellow, and let's grab all of these details and make this one the active. Control L and link the material, and so we added the material for the other pieces of this arm. Well, now let's jump to the chest and let's select all the details of the chest and the hips as well, except these pieces, this one and this one, we don't need it, and maybe this one should be selected with the chest. Let's hit G just to move it to see what we have selected, and yeah, that's cool. Alright, with these selected, I need to give them a new material, so I can hit, sorry, Control Z, select this one, Control L, link the material to give the same material. I can select just one geometry and delete the material, and let's give this a special color, maybe something green, and let's call this chest, and let's select the other details that we got here. Let's see what we got here, all of these pieces. Hit G, deselect this one, hold Control and grab it, and I need to select these pieces right here. Yeah, G just to make sure. Yeah, so make this big piece the active, and then Control L and link the same material. Alright, now let's jump to the lake. Let's grab this one. Let's delete the material from it. And let's give it a new material, and I will call it L leg. And let's give this a color, maybe something like this. And after that, let's grab the other pieces of the left leg, this one, and make this the active. Control L and link the material, and there we go. What about this piece? Grab it and delete the checker from it, and let's add a new material, and let's call it R underscore leg, and let's give it a special color, something similar to this one. And let's grab all the details right here and make this one the active. Control L and link the material. Sorry, Control L, link the material. Let's do that again. Control L, link the material, and there we go. Well, that will help us in Substance Painter when we send this object to Substance Painter. Inside Substance Painter, now I can hide any part of this robot according to the material that I added. For example, if I want to hide the chest with the hips and all the details, inside Substance Painter, the material that I added here will be texture set. That means I can toggle it on or off. That means too I can hide it. So that's why I gave this robot a material just like that with the names. Alright, when we jump to Substance Painter, you will understand that more and more. And I think I made a mistake here. Let's give this the same material. Select this one. Sorry. Why it's not selectable? Let's see why is that. Maybe, yeah, because they are inside the blueprint, maybe. Yeah, that's right. Let's grab them and let's take them out. So let's grab this one, hold shift to grab this, control L, link the material. The same thing for this piece, hold and grab any object with the same material, control L and link it. This one as well, select it, hold shift to grab this, control L, link material. And I think we finished. Alright, from the front view, let's grab all these details and let's hit M for a new collection, and let's create a new collection here. Let's call it L underscore leg. Hit OK to create a new collection for that. If you want to organize things, if you don't want, that's not gonna cause a problem, that's okay. Let's grab these detail and let's hit M again and a new collection, and let's call this R leg. Hit enter and then hit OK, and there we go. And for the arm, let's grab the arm, all the detail, and hit M and the new collection and call it L underscore arm, left arm, and hit OK, and there we go. Now we have left arm. And for this one right here, hit M, new collection, call it right underscore arm, and there we go. Well, the head, grab the head and detach the chest, grab the neck with the head, and let's add it in the new collection. Hit M, new collection, call it head, it's OK, and there we go. Alright, so now we have the head. What else we have? The chest and these details right here. Let's grab them all, detach this, deselect this one too, deselect the neck, and let's hit G just to make sure that we selected this. And we need to select this one as well, and this part right here, and this one. Hit G again just to move it to see we missed something. No. Alright, hit M and hit the new collection, call it chests. That's cool. Alright, so that's nice. Now we just organize everything and all the pieces now inside collections. Alright, now let's see what we have here. Actually, you can delete this one if you don't, if you want, sorry. And what about this one? It's called chest. We have another chest. Let's delete this one, we don't need it anymore. And let's close this one. What is this, the piece here? Yeah, this curve I don't want to delete it. And yeah, now everything is organized. Cool. So this object now is ready to send it to Substance Painter if you want to send this right there. Let's make sure of something now. Let's hit A, and then Control A, apply the scale, and let's jump to face orientation. Let's see any red objects. No, we don't have any red objects. That means everything is now clear. Before I take this to Substance Painter, let's check what we got here. Any problem with the shading? And yeah, we got some problem here with this piece. Let's give it weight normal, and now yeah, it's correct. Just try to find any weird shading here you have in the objects, especially for the object that you mirrored. I mean this leg and this arm. Check all the details and try to find any problem with the shading. If there are any problem, you can directly add weighted normal and fix the issue right there. Maybe I have some problem with this one. Let's add weight normal, and yeah, I think this one as well. Let's add weight normal and let's select this and this and this one, and let's link the same modifier and grab them together. Control A, apply visual geometry to mesh. And I think we got the same problem here. Let's give this a weight normal and let's grab this 3. Hold shift to grab this. Control L, link the same modifier, and let's grab this 4 and hold shift to grab any object with weighted normal. Control L, link the same modifier, and now that's cool. The shading is cool and correct. When you complete, Control A, apply visual geometry to mesh. Alright, for this one and this one as well. That's cool. Alright, now I don't think that we have any problem anymore. Alright, that's cool. So this is how to prepare the object to take it to Substance Painter if you want to make the texture with Substance Painter. Alright, so this tutorial is finished and I will see you in the next one.